So this just came in the mail. I found this on Facebook. It was advertised for $99 at the time of this recording. So decided I want to check it out. I love my e-readers. If you've seen my other videos, you know I love my e-readers. So this box is the Mobiscribe, the ultimate digital notebook. The Mobiscribe Wave. I thought it was just the Mobiscribe Wave that I was getting. Looks like they threw in the Mobiscribe Wave Pro Stylus as well. So this is going to be the unboxing of the Mobiscribe Wave. Check this out. So this is what's in the box. Looks like we got a stylus here. Pretty neat. Oh, that doesn't click. It's the Mobiscribe Wave. Looks like we got a power button. Maybe that's a light button. I'm not quite sure. USB-C charging. The black is this kind of matte blue. Quick start guide. What's in this box? Looks like some charging cables and the nibs for the pen. Let's take a peek at the Pro Stylus they gave us, that threw in, and we could look at it compared to the other pen. It's a shot of my backyard while trying to get this out. So it's the color white. Oh, the tip's different. So let's put them next to each other, see what they look like. I'm sure like nibs are in the box. Well, at least that's what it says. Let me scoot this forward more. Has a plastic film on it. Wonder if I can power it on. Little ghosting, or maybe it's supposed to be that way. It is taking a second to power on. Well, this is just a, oh, that's really bright. This is just a quick unboxing. I'll do a follow-up video when I have a moment, but, oh, there's no setup yet. Well, maybe we'll keep on going here. Let's keep on going. Let's take the plastic off. If it's too hard, I might have to do another video. Listen to that plastic go off. That's super bright. I wonder if I could turn this down. Oh, it's on max, that's why. But yeah, let's do a follow-up video. This is a quick unboxing of the unit. $100. at the time of the recording. Came with 2 pins. Till next time. If I can find a link for that deal for the 100 during that time, or to the Mobiscribe page, I'm going to put it in the link below. If you can help grow my channel, if you can like and subscribe. Thanks, and have a good day.